What's up, witches? I'm Blythe, and today I'm going to be doing a witchcraft for you. We're going to be making these little corn husk dolls. This is a pretty basic version, pretty easy to do, maybe like 10-15 minutes, and all you need is some corn husks, scissors, and some twine to tie her off. So let's get started. First, you will want to soak your corn husk for about an hour before you use them, just to get them soft and malleable. First, you want to get 6 husks. You want to place 3 facing down and 3 facing up, with the tapered ends pointed to the top. Once you have your leaves together, you'll want to tie the tapered ends together with your twine. Once you're done tying the tapered ends together, you'll want to carefully fold the 3 husks that were facing up towards the front and the 3 husks that were facing down towards the back. At this point, you'll want to smooth out any creases that you have because this will be your doll's head. Now you will want to tie off the head by using your twine and putting the knot on the back side of the doll. Next, it is time to give her some arms, so you'll take one of the smaller pieces of husk. I just use a rolled up kind. Some people like to braid this part, but it's personal preference. Then you'll want to trim them to size, tie the ends off, then you'll lift up 2 pieces of husk from your doll and slide the arms in. I did cut some French for fingers, and then it is time to wrap the torso, the same method as you did for the head. Wrap the twine around and tie the knot to the back. Trim off your excess twine, and then if you like what you see here, you can just be done. This would be a perfectly fine corn husk doll. All you would have to do is trim the bottom a little bit and you're done. I did opt to add a shawl on top of mine, so I'm taking 2 more husks, trimming them down a little bit, and you'll place them diagonally across each shoulder. Make sure they're nice and tight, and then do your drag mama proud and cinch that waist for the gods, honey. And here she is all done. I did do a little cleanup where I cut down her shawl just to make it flush with her body. And then I did cut her dress down a little bit at the bottom and unfurled it a little bit so that she would stand up on her own. And here they are done, mommy and baby. Some people do put pipe cleaners into the arms just to make them movable so that you can position them in different ways, give them a little sass. You can also put corn silk. People would put corn silk on the top to make for hair. And there's a bunch of different ways you can make them, but this is my way. It's easy, and over time they will get that yellow color. But that's all I have for you guys. Happy harvest. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, don't be a good witch, be a great witch. Bye!